and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you some of my self-seeded Primula, Primrose. As you can see, there they are. Come off this one, it's a lovely yellow, it's also known as cowslip. So, right, let's get these dug up and let's get them potted on. Right, when I've got loads of little ones like this, I like to try and dig them all up in one go. Just like that. Here we go. And get them all into a tray so you don't lose any of them. Right, and now let's get them all potted up. Right, here we are. It was by magic. So, first of all, I'm going to get them. I'm going to gently tease them out, just like that one there. Be careful not to damage the leaves. You'll be surprised how many you get. Right. Once you've separated them like that, next thing is just to fill with compost. I'm using a 9cm pot here with a multi-purpose peat-based compost that's got 6 weeks worth of feeding. So once you've done that, a bit of the hole, like so, make sure the roots are covered, like so. Once you've potted them up, you want to give them a good water and put them somewhere sunny. And these will look great next year. I'll separate these, like so. So that's Primula, Primroses. They're self-seeded. How to dig them up, pot them on. Any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And please give me a thumbs up. More from me next week. Thank you, bye.